How to comment out a block of code in Python. Is there a mechanism to comment out large blocks of Python code? Right now, the only ways I can see of commenting out code are to either start every line with a hashtag, or to enclose the code in triple quotes. The problem with these is that inserting hashtag before every line is cumbersome and makes the string I want to use as a comment show up in generated documentation. After reading all comments, the answer seems to be no.
The only way you can do this without triple quotes is to add an and then indent all your code. Note that the code will still need to have proper syntax. Many Python IDEs can add hashtag for you on each selected line, and remove them when uncommenting too. Likewise, if you use 6 or Emacs, you can create a macro to do this for you for a block of code.
Python does not have such a mechanism. Prepend a hashtag to each line to block comment. For more information, see pep 8. Most Python IDEs support a mechanism to do the block commenting with hash signs automatically for you. For example, in idle on my machine, it's Alt+3 and Alt+4. Don't use triple quotes, or as you discovered, this is for documentation strings, not block comments, although it has a similar effect. If you are just commenting things out temporarily, this is fine as a temporary measure.
The only cure I know for this is a good editor. Sorry.
Hide the triple quotes in a context that won't be mistaken for a docstring, e.g. or.
If you want support,